Very, very warm congratulations to everybody for this 67th Foundation Day of Kurodimal College. It is indeed an old college, and I felt that we have not had the occasion to celebrate our annual day, and therefore probably it would be a good idea to at least share a few highlights. I have tried to keep this short, but still I thought maybe we should know about, and I should share something with you of a few things that have happened despite the COVID situation. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you to this largely virtual celebration of 67th Foundation Day of Kurodimal College. This follows the unprecedented year of 2020, which has probably been the toughest one we have lived through in our living memory. The COVID-19 pandemic fundamentally changed the way we live our lives. At the University of Delhi and KMC, we have been functioning online to the best of our abilities. While exams, admissions, and classes have been managed online, I do want to let all our students know that they are being sorely missed, and all teachers are waiting for the day when we can meet and carry on our curricular and co-curricular activities safely. There is indeed a small celebration at college campus to mark our Foundation Day with complete compliance of the COVID-19 protocol. We miss the fun and joy with which this day used to be celebrated with our teaching and non-teaching members, alumni, and students. We have, however, tried to share the day with all the KMC family by doing the next best thing, which is to upload the videos of the program that happened at college along with the videos of performances of some cultural societies of the college to mark this important day. These will be uploaded on the college YouTube channel by evening today. The link of the YouTube has already been uploaded on the college website. I do hope you will enjoy watching the videos. I would also like to let all of you know that the college follows all the safety guidelines in carrying forward our fight against COVID. The college has installed touchless sanitizer dispensers and wash basins wherever needed. Body temperature is checked at the main gate and social distancing is practiced. Areas are sanitized as per need. Masks and shields are available for those who may need these. The two major annual celebrations in the college calendar are the Annual Day and the Foundation Day. The Annual Day also could not be celebrated in 2020, and so we were not able to officially recognize and award our students who worked hard through the year and brought laurels to the college in academics as well as co-curricular activities. These awards are being announced today, and the list of the names of awardees will be uploaded on the college website. This is also an occasion to share at least a few things that have happened in college. I will mention just two. The first is the installation of the solar panels, an environmental friendly method of producing electricity. This installation has been completed in college. I am also proud to inform you that the vermicomposting scheme started by the garden committee has expanded and has started producing organic compost from the dry leaves and twigs that had earlier to be disposed of with great trouble. When we come to the activities in college, we find that KMC has 51 vibrant societies and committees, and I am proud to say that these have been pretty active despite the setback posed by the pandemic. Numerous conferences, seminars, and workshops are conducted by almost all the departments, details of which will be published in the annual report 2020, which will be available for you on the college website. It also reflects with great pride the details of the academic achievements of our faculty members, the academic and co-curricular awards won by our students, and all the constructive and creative activities of the department and cultural societies. Although all departments and college societies have had their online welcome or orientation for the first year students, departments have also held several other prestigious national and international online conferences. The interdisciplinary science related programs have been successfully held under the aegis of the STAR scheme program, like the 3-day lecture series in collaboration with the Indian Academy of Sciences. The IQAC, or the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, under the UGC program Paramarsh, has been mentoring 8 colleges from different parts of the country in the process of their application for accreditation and ranking. It has also conducted many programs in collaboration with bodies like the Central District Legal Services Society, Delhi Police, Indian Institute of Healthcare Communication, UGC Entrepreneurship Scheme, and many others. IQAC and the Department of History have also held an international conference on understanding the life and philosophy of Gandhi. The students have been so inspired by the conference that there is a persistent demand from them to start a Gandhi Study Center at college. Lectures on nutrition were held in collaboration with NSS, and this too has the potential of growing into a full-fledged program. Another fallout of the conference was the expansion of a herbal unit into a Nutri Garden. The NSS in college is also planning to have a long-term Quit Tobacco program to be organized in collaboration with Patel Chest Institute at the University of Delhi. The college has organized many certificate courses for students in different areas like digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and startups. Spoken tutorials in collaboration with IIT Bombay have been held in areas of latest software and computer programming. In fact, as I speak, a certificate course on translation as a career is being held by the Department of Hindi in collaboration with Bharatiya Anuvad Parishad. KMC has 18 active MOUs with different institutions and is in the process of signing some more. The college believes in the culture of collaborations and sharing strengths and visions of like-minded institutions. I am also happy to report about the constitution of the Center for Innovation and Social Enterprise at KMC, with the mandate to sensitize students about ethical and environmental issues of entrepreneurship and guide them to grow into socially sensitive entrepreneurs. The college also realizes the mental and psychological stress under which many of our students may be struggling. This realization has led to the opening of Wellness Center in the college, which has a college counselor. During the period from March 2020 till date, the counselor has been available for consultation to students on phone and WhatsApp. Besides this, the teachers have also remained in touch with students through the mentor-mentee groups and have at times been able to intervene in many constructive ways. There are many other programs of college as well as the achievements of individual faculty members that need to be highlighted. We will soon make this available on the college website through our annual report 2020-21. In the meantime, I wish good health and joy to all members of the college and their families. I look forward to meeting all students and all faculty members in person in a safe environment. We are actually incomplete without each other, like single sheets of paper that get transformed into a book when they come together. Best wishes and good luck. Thank you.